Hi everyone, I believe you are doing great. If you are not, then don't worry, because after taking this class, at least your code will be doing great. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about different modes of streaming, like values, updates, messages. In previous video, we already discussed about custom mode, and there are different other modes like checkpoints, task, debug. So what are these? It is saying stream modes pass one or more of the following stream modes as a list to the stream or a stream methods. Values mean full state after each step. Means you will get the full state of graph after each step. And second one is updates. Updates mean state updates after each step. So multiple updates in the same step are streamed separately. In a while we actually see that what's the difference between values and updates mode. These messages will return a tuple from LLM call. First one will be LLM token and another one will be metadata. And another method is custom that we already discussed in previous class. You can definitely check that out. And this one is checkpoints. Checkpoint event require a checkpointer. So we'll see these things. And another is task. Task start and then task finish events with result and error require a checkpointer. And another is debug. All available info combines checkpoints and task with extra metadata. So in today's video, we are actually going to see difference between values, updates and messages. So let's see. It is saying use stream mode updates and values to stream the state of graph as it executes. Updates streams the updates to the state after each step of graph. Values streams the full value of the state after each step of graph. So let's see it practically. Let me just copy this code and I will paste here. It is our state. It has two parameters. One is topic and another is jog. And it is our first node. Its name is refine topic. It will update this topic with our state topic. Whatever the topic will pass, it will update the topic with this state topic. And after that, it will add this string in this topic parameter. For example, we pass the topic like ice cream. It will update the topic with ice cream and cats. After that, it will come to this generate jog, this node. It will update the second parameter, jog one. It will update with this string. This is the jog about state topic. So if we passed ice cream, it will update the jog parameter with this is the jog about ice cream. And here we are creating our graph. If you want to visualize, you can simply type graph and execute it. So it is our graph. It has two nodes. One is refine topic and another is generate jog. Okay, after that it is saying use this to stream only the state update returned by node after each step. So what does that mean? Let me just copy and run the code, then you will understand it. Here we are saying for chunk in graph.stream, our topic is ice cream, stream mode is updates, version is v2. And here we are saying if chunk type is equal to updates, then you have to get chunk data.items. So items return key value pairs. Key will be stored in node name and value will be stored in state. And here we are printing node name as well as state. Our node name is refine topic and topic is ice cream and cats. After that, it print another node that is generate jog, and jog is this is the jog about ice cream and cats. So this updates will return the result after the node will get updated. Now let's see what is values. It is saying use this to stream the full state of graph after each step. So let's copy and I will paste here, and let's run it. It throws an error. Why? Because we want to print the joke, but at this point the joke does not exist. It is in the first node. In first node there is only topic is ice cream, there is no joke. So one method is, here we will pass joke will be empty string, or another method is we just only want to print the chunk data. Let's rerun it. So this time it is saying topic is ice cream, then it print topic is ice cream and cats. After that it print topic is ice cream and cat and as well as joke. It is saying joke is, this is the joke about ice cream and cats. So it is the difference between values and updates. Now let's see the documentation again. It's saying use this to stream the full state of graph after each step. Means the values will return the data after each step. I believe now you know the difference between updates and values. Let's move ahead. It is saying LLM tokens. Use the messages streaming mode to stream large language model output token by token from any part of your graph, including nodes, tools, subgraph or task. The streamed output from messages mode is a tuple, message chunk and metadata, where message chunk means the token or message segment from LLM, and metadata is a dictionary containing detail about the graph node and LLM invocation. Let's execute this code. I copy it and I will paste here. Here we are saying from LangChain.chat models import inert chat model, and by default they are using GPT 5.4 mini. So I don't want to use this GPT model. I am saying my model is from Ollama. So here I will specify Ollama, and our model was QN 2.5. If you are following the previous classes, we fetch this QN 2.5 model from Ollama. In this code we have our only one node, that is call model. Here we'll pass the state, that was my state, and here we are invoking our LLM. I am saying invoke model.invoke this model, and role is user and content is generate a joke about topic. So whatever the topic will pass, it will send the prompt to the LLM and it will say generate a joke about maybe ice cream or computer or something. In this line we are updating our joke, this parameter, with model response.content. We are storing the model response in this variable and we want to update the joke with only .content, and it is our graph. And let me just cut this code and let's execute this one, and I will paste here. I paste the code here and let's execute it. It's saying why did the ice cream truck skip lunch? Here we have two different things, one is flush and another is end. Flush is equal to true means as soon as you get the data or chunk or token, you have to flush it or you have to print it. You don't have to wait. It is the meaning of flush. And let me just change this value, or let's remove the end, and let me execute it again. By default this print will print the data or chunk in new line. So if I will say end will be comma or maybe space, and let me rerun again. So here will be comma. So it is saying why did the ice cream go to the doctor, and this time it is printing the comma. So I don't want to print the comma also. Let's rerun again. So this time it is printing nothing, not the new line, not the comma or not the slash. So it is just printing the text, why don't the ice creams ever get lost? So yes, that's it guys. I believe now you know the difference between values, updates, messages and custom. So if you really like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys.